Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to change font style in Microsoft Excel. So first, you need to open your Microsoft Excel document. Now let's try to use this one. Now this is a blank document since this is just an example. Now for you guys to have a better reference on how can we change the font style in Microsoft Excel, let's try to enter a word here. Let's use this word, hello. And then let's just turn this one into black first. So let's try to use this word right here. For you to proceed in changing the font style of this word, you need to click the home tab right here. And you should be under font. And then under font, you'll see an option right here. And this is for font styles. So you just need to click the drop box right here. Click that one. And there, you'll see several options that you can choose for the font style. Let's try to use this Berlin Sans FB Demi. And there, that's how you change font style in Microsoft Excel. I do hope this video helped you. See you on my next videos, and bye for now.